friends, my name is Millie and welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be making one of my most favorite dal, which is dal palak. Super healthy, super yummy and easy to make. So without wasting time, let's get started. So guys, let's start to make our palak dal. So here I have taken 1 cup of moong dal, green moong dal. I have soaked this 1 hour before and this is 1 cup of it. So I'm going to add in the pressure cooker like. Into this I'm going to add around 150 gram of palak, spinach, 1 more cup of water, finely chopped garlic, teaspoon of turmeric powder, haldi. Now mix this all really well. Mix this well, it's all ready. Now I'm going to pressure cook this for around 5 to 6 whistles. Yeah, I have put this in a flame. We're going to hear 5 or 6 whistles. So guys, our dal and spinach is cooked. So now let's move to our next step. So guys, my pan is already hot. I'm going to add around 3 to 4 spoons of ghee. Into this I'm going to add cumin seed, whole black cardamom, curry leaf, chilies, ginger, cinnamon and star seeds, and then it's a clove. I'm going to add in here. We already have put garlic in our dal, so I'm not going to put garlic at this point, but if you want more garlic flavor into your dal, you can add garlic as well with this. I'm going to let this cook just for a while. It cooked well. Now I'm going to add 1 spoon of kasuri methi, fresh coriander leaves, and I'm going to add finely chopped onions. Well, and let this cook until our onion turns into a golden brown color. Our onion has cooked well. Now we're going to add turmeric powder, coriander and cumin powder, red chili powder and garam masala. Now mix this really well. Into this I'm going to add few drops of water so our masala don't get burnt. Just cook for a while. So now I'm going to add finely chopped tomatoes and salt to taste. Now mix well. We already have put salt in the dal and spinach when we pressure cook that, so I just add salt just for this masala. Now I'm going to let this cook around 3 to 4 minutes or until our tomatoes get mushy. So guys, our tomato is cooked well, it's nice and soft. At this point I'm going to add few drops of water. Mix well. After adding few drops of water, I can see some ghee on top, so it is a perfect time to add our dal. So I'm going to add all our dal here, dal and spinach both, and I'm going to add 1 full cup of hot water to mix this really well. After mixing this well, I will need some more hot water. Now I'm going to cover this and let this cook for around 5 to 7 minutes. So guys, our dal is done. It was cooking for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now mix this really well. So guys, our dal is done. You can see the consistency. I have like little porry consistency. If you don't want more liquidy, you can adjust your consistency as per your preference. So now I'm going to transfer this into a large bowl. So guys, I have transferred my dal into this bowl. Now we will prepare some tadka and we'll pour it on top of this dal. So into this small pan, I'm going to add 1 or 2 spoons of ghee. So ghee is melted. So now I'm going to add our cumin seeds, 2 whole red chili. I have just taken this out of the heat. I'm going to add red chili powder and some garam masala and few drops of water. Going to pour this onto top of our dal. Now spread our tadka all over the dal like this. Garnish this with our coriander leaves. Dal is ready. Let's serve. Palak is ready to eat. I am serving my dal palak today with chapati and rice. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for future recipe. So see you soon with a new recipe. Bye for now. Take care.